Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change your Plex profile visibility in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to make your Plex profile public, private, or visible only to friends, this step-by-step tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. First of all, launch open the Plex application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. After you are signed into the home page of Plex, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the expanded menu, click on Settings. Under Settings, click on Privacy. Under Privacy, tap on Manage Profile Privacy. Now, select My Account Visibility from the menu. Under My Account Visibility, you can go ahead and select your preferred option. Choose if you want to be visible to anyone, friends of friends, or friend only. If you choose friends only your Plex friends can see your activity. If you choose anyone or anyone signed into Plex, you will be viewed by anyone in your profile. You can also choose to be visible to your friends of friends or any other option. Go ahead and select it from the menu. I'm just gonna tap on friends only. And now, once you are done, you'll be able to change your Plex account's profile visibility. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.